like one in a million. FL Studio is finally updating picture. That's what it looks like. They put a new picture plugin in FL Studio Mobile, seeming like they beta test plugins in FL Studio Mobile before they bring it in FL Studio. There might be a new picture plugin coming. Let's just look and see what it does in FL Studio Mobile. We see
hey guys, what's going on?
2. It looks interesting. People might be like, there's no more than just another picture. So we see this is picture 1. This is the OG picture that they have in FL Studio Mobile, as you see. And then we see up here, it says picture 2 up here at the top. All right. So we're just going to delete that one. All right. And I'm going to bring in picture 2. As you see, picture 1, picture 2 right here. I click 2. All right. So for the time being, I'm going to turn that off and I'm going to just walk through everything we see. We got tuning, we have expression, and we have options. Okay, those are 3 different modes. It looks so much better than the original picture. What jumped out to me was we have the slow, natural, and fast. Okay, then we set the key and the scale. Then we got the formants and format shift. Then expression, humanization. This is what makes the AutoTune hit. You can make it sound human, more human, right? Humanization, that's where we're there, right? The humanize, right? Sensitivity, stability, and vibrato. That's crazy. Low latency mode right here. That would be crazy. I'm thinking they're gonna bring a new picture to FL Studio, and it's crazy because it seems like everybody is creating their own AutoTune plugin, and FL is probably like, we finally gotta update it. So now we see everything that's on here. Let's just see what it sounds like and how we could use it. So I'm gonna be using it in real time. So I'm gonna turn low latency on. So the beat that I got is F major. So I'm gonna set that right there. Now I'm gonna turn that plugin on. Can I turn that plugin on? Turn that plugin on. So like that's crazy. So like that's natural. Bring it up to a honey, up to a honey, up to a honey. So like that sounds crazy. So like when sensitivity goes to 0, it sounds weird. That don't really sound right. So the closer we get to 100, yeah. We want that AutoTune to be sensitive. Right, so look, stability. So far, like I just updated and I was like, yeah, I gotta make a video. But stability, yeah. Like then vibrato. It was like, I took the work to Poland. I be singing. That Post Malone. She told me that I'm not enough. That's weird. That's funny. And then humanization. Yeah. See, it gets more natural, right? So that's the humanize right there. Yo, this is gonna be interesting. Hold up. I don't know. Left channel, right channel, left, right channel. I don't know. It might, I don't know. It might be a little glitchy, but hey, it is what it is. Because who really cares at the end of the day? Because when we look at it, this is better than the picture that's in FL Studio currently, just by the features that it has. Now we just got to see what it sounds like. Yeah. You look like one in a million. Yeah, you look like one in a million. You look like one in a million. You look like one in a million. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Hide the AutoTune. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a crazy, that crazy, that crazy, that crazy, that crazy, that's crazy. Yeah. That's crazy, that crazy, crazy. That's crazy, 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 crazy. That shit crazy. Like it sounds good. Like it sounds good. Play it. You're like one in a million. You're like one in a million. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Say, play it back. That's what it's on. Yeah, yeah, you look like one in a million. You look like one in a million. You look like one in a million. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's crazy. That's fire. That's fire. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's fire. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hide the AutoTune. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a million. Your love is like one in a million.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Why am I talking like that? What's the
It's crazy. It's crazy though. That's crazy. But like overall, just looking at it, like picture is nuts. Like the new picture 2. Like FL, I see you, FL. I see what you're doing. If y'all see this video, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Just hit me. I got some ideas. Just hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Because this is crazy. This is crazy because FS Studio Mobile is better than a lot of other programs. They get to actually beta test plugins in here. See how people are gonna use it. See how it sounds. See how it feels before they put it over into the because they did it with what's it what was it? It's something in here. They beta tested not this one. It wasn't this one. It wasn't Stereoizer. It was yeah, this one, because they beta tested the spreader plugin in here and they put that over into FS Studio. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a new Picture 2 plugin come to FS Studio because they beta test plugins over here. Like that's crazy. Like that's just something like a lot of people don't be paying attention to because FS Studio Mobile is low-key slept on.